Proceedings, I'll introduce today's first speaker, who is Robert Quarshie, who's going to talk about the Materials Knowledge Transfer Network.
Okay, good morning. Nice to see so many of you. It's good to be here, and my understanding is my first time in Fukuoka, but my understanding is this is quite a prestigious event for the polymer industry. What I'm trying to show you is what we're doing in innovating with materials, and in particular what we're doing with the polymer industry. Why are materials that important to the UK? Well, as you can see from the data here, very, very important. With an annual turnover, combined turnover of £200 billion, you'll agree it's quite a big sector within the economy. Exports are 50 billion and imports are 60 billion. So the materials industry actually rely quite a lot on international trade to get it going. It is key to many innovations in many sectors, and as far as the knowledge base is concerned, the UK is ranked as a world-class with a world-class reputation in providing knowledge. A lot of our universities have very good research in materials. Its importance, the importance of materials really, is a way that it permeates all key sectors within the economy, and you can see a list there. I'm sure you recognise your sector within that list. In the UK, we looked very closely in terms of what we do with for these key sectors, in terms of the way they innovate with materials, and we came to the conclusion that there are five key issues that needs to be resolved, and innovation is one of them. Is the pace at which innovation takes place, and making sure that materials contribute to accelerating that pace of innovation, transferring knowledge across sectors and within sectors in the use of materials, raising the awareness of some industries within the materials community, raising the image of materials, quite important, improving the skills and the knowledge base, making sure there are people within the sectors who can make good use of materials, and creating a much better environment for business. And what applies to the UK, no doubt applies throughout Europe. But there is a big agenda, and this is very much a European agenda, tackling the energy and environmental sustainability for businesses. Sustainability not just in the environmental sense, but sustainability for businesses going forward within global competition. And the KTN is doing its best to make sure that we have the technologies available to help our sectors. You take global warming, for example. Who is responsible? Well, all sectors are responsible. There's no sector at all that would say it doesn't contribute to global warming, not even the financial sector. So all sectors are actually responsible, and materials can help to mitigate global warming everywhere. All sectors, materials have a contribution to make. Now, the Materials Knowledge Transfer Network was created to provide a dynamic channel between the community, the industrial sectors, and government. Help the industrial sectors to develop ideas, improve its interactions, and to communicate within the community and between the community and government. And the activities of the Materials KTN has become very important in influencing technology strategy within the UK. There are major trust areas in terms of technologies supported by materials, product design, enhancing product design, product development through understanding of materials, showcasing new materials to provide product development opportunities for sectors, materials for cleaner environments, end-of-life issues, understanding nanoscale materials, and looking at applications where natural materials are used, and materials for security, sensors for armor, sensors, armour, defence systems, cutting crime, and making sure we can actually create higher value markets through our understanding of materials within the UK and within Europe. The KTN covers all aspects of materials, including polymers, and as I said before, sees its application, looks at application in all sectors, including packaging, transport, energy. The importance for the KTN is its membership. It has nearly 9,000 members, of which more than 50% are from business. It has a large group of designers, product designers interacting. It has people from government and research councils. The designers are quite important to the material scientists in bridging that gap between the concept development and the application of materials in the market. To support designers in their use of materials, we have a physical library where we encourage materials producers, particularly SMEs, to deposit their new developments so that designers can touch and feel and begin to design with new materials being developed. We've got about 1,000 samples in our stock. So in summary, the KTN offers quite a wide service to its community, raising the awareness of technology and design, promoting innovation and product development, and encouraging knowledge exchange within the community and between sectors. We have a specific agenda to support European industries in framework. And as you can appreciate, framework is not just a UK issue, it's a funding opportunity for all partners within the EU. And very important that we have an infrastructure to actually assist in building consortia, and the KTN does that. KTN actually helps with project management by providing an infrastructure. We have an online conferencing facility that will help for people not to travel in order to meet, as much as physical meetings are important. It's good to cut costs, watch costs, and I'm sure many of you have watched costs today and justify why you need to be here. There's good value in physical contact, but equally we see value in virtual meetings. So we have an infrastructure and we provide that for European project management. And we work quite closely to the strategy developers within the Commission for the materials theme. As I said earlier, membership of the KTN is quite important to us, and it's important that you join. We encourage cross-EU membership, so its registration is free, so please do join.
I'll join. I didn't realise it was free. I'll join.
Good, good. Website is www.materialsktn.net. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert.